In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find and delete a transaction from your list. This process is simple and straightforward, allowing you to manage your records with ease. Let's dive right into it. To begin, ensure that your list of transactions is open on your device. Having a complete overview of your transactions is crucial for this step as it allows you to easily spot the item you wish to delete. Take a moment to scan through the list visually, or if your platform offers a search function, use it to quickly locate the transaction. Typing in specific keywords related to the transaction, such as the date, amount, or recipient's name, can significantly speed up this part of the process. Finding the transaction accurately is critical to avoid any errors that could disrupt your records. Once you've identified the specific transaction, click on it to open it. Clicking into the transaction will typically provide more details, such as transaction ID, time, and any notes or memos attached. Reviewing these details can be quite beneficial, ensuring that you have accurately selected the correct transaction and helping you avoid deleting the wrong one. If everything checks out, the next step is to proceed with the deletion. But before we go ahead, remember that some platforms might not allow you to recover deleted transactions, so it's always wise to double check before proceeding. Now, with the transaction details confirmed, locate the delete button. This button is usually prominently displayed either next to the transaction details or at the bottom of the screen. Clicking delete will initiate the deletion process. At this point, most systems will prompt you to confirm your decision. This final confirmation step is a safeguard to prevent any accidental deletions, so take a second to ensure that you indeed wish to remove this transaction. When prompted, confirm the deletion. This can usually be done by clicking yes or confirm on the prompt that appears. After confirming, the transaction should be permanently removed from your list. Keep an eye out for any system notifications that might appear after the deletion. These can sometimes offer you additional information, like whether the action was successful or if any errors occurred. There you have it, a quick and effective way to manage your transaction list by finding and deleting items you no longer need. Keeping your transaction list organized and up to date is key to maintaining financial health, so performing regular audits and cleanups like this can be very beneficial. Thanks for watching, and feel free to return to this guide whenever you need a refresher. Have a great day managing your transactions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.